Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. I have a really exciting video for you. I'm going to be reviewing, swatching, and creating this tutorial for you guys using the brand new collection from Colourpop. It is the Rainbow Collection. It's so pretty! You guys, this collection is absolutely gorgeous. The shadows blended literally amazing, and just everything about this collection is bomb. There's my review. I have nothing else to say about the collection. Everything in it is really great. The eyeliners are great. The shadows are absolutely amazing. If you're looking for a rainbow palette, just go buy this one. And the single shadows are bomb. The brushes are bomb. And just everything about this collection is amazing. So I'm going to do some swatches for you guys first, and then we're going to move on to this tutorial on this look. And I absolutely love how the look came out as well. But if you want to see swatches, then just keep on watching. If you want to see the tutorial, skip ahead a little bit. So here is the eyeshadow palette. In the eyeshadow palette, you get 1, 2, 3 glitters. You get a ton of mattes. This whole row on the top is matte. And then you get, it looks like 6 shimmers, or actually, I'm sorry, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the rest of them are matte. The entire palette is a 24 shade palette. You guys, the look that I did was just bomb. Like, these shadows were amazing. They came out so buttery. Of course, there are some shades that I wish were in this palette. Like, I wish this red wasn't as pink, but overall, this is a great palette. And I wouldn't, like, I would just say that I would want less shimmers, but I'm not a shimmery person to begin with. So I'm really, like, I love mattes, and I'm actually very impressed with the glitters as well. You guys know I don't like glitters like this, but they are really just amazing. Like, you can see that from over here, and they actually sit really well on the eye. So I definitely like those, which is definitely a surprise, and the mattes blend amazing. So let me show you swatches of this palette. So here are the first 2 rows of shades. Look at that, are you kidding? And here are the last 2 rows. And then you have this little, like, quad palette of shock and jelly shadows called Rainbow Road. So first you have Fizz. Then you have Shy Guy. Then you have the first jelly shadow, which is called No Rest for the Vivid. And then you have Origami. Then you have a cute little collection of 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 eyeliners, or cream gel eyeliners. And here are all of those shades. So this shade right here is called CRSSD. Then we have Electric Daisy. No! Prance, Piggy Bank, and this shade is called Puppy. Oh my god. Well, be careful how high you put the eyeliners. Then there is a mascara bundle set. This is the Color Me Happy. It comes with 5 mascaras. Here is 4 of the 5. And here is the 5th one. This one is a coral shade. So here is the coral shade, which is called Lover's Coral. Then you have an aqua green, which is called Kiss and Teal. Then we have a lavender called Purple Prose. This is Pink Ink. And this shade is called Yellow Goodbye. Then there is a brush set called Mad About Hue. It is a 5-piece brush set. Excuse mine, they are all used, but here are the 5 brushes. So you get kind of like a highlighter brush, you get 2 blending brushes, one that is more of like a fluffier blending brush and one that's more precise. You get an angled brush, and you get a flat shader brush, which is actually one of my favorite brushes from Colourpop. And last but not least in this collection, there is the 4th Ray Beauty Head in the Clouds Face Milk Set. I am actually slightly confused because I didn't know if this was like kind of like their new skincare line, the Soul, what is it called? Soul something? I'm horrible. But I'm assuming that maybe this is like Colourpop's skincare line. There's 5 different skin milks in this collection. So you have watermelon, papaya, turmeric, matcha, and acai. So I would assume that these are kind of like a serum. It says to apply 2 to 3 drops in palms, warm between hands, and gently press into skin and use as needed. They're super, super smooth, and they all have a really good smell. It's definitely not strong. Like, you can't really smell the turmeric in the turmeric one, but you can definitely smell the acai and the acai milk. But it feels really nice on the skin, and on the back it actually tells you what is inside and what each of them are for, which I really, really love this. That's it for all the swatches and everything a part of this collection. Let's get on to the tutorial.
Tonight to stay, too sad to leave. Sometimes I laugh, the ways you make me lose my mind. You're all I have, but still it's like I'm wasting time. I need some space, I need a little time to run away. You're the one I'm needing in my life. Still you're driving my heart insane. No, we'll never see eye to eye. Still I never can walk away. I'm just going and going, you're just going and going, we're just going and going in circles. I'm just going and going, you're just going and going, we're just going and going in circles. A hopeless case, the two of us. We give and take, but nothing's ever good enough. So we remain, too right to stay, too wrong to leave. Another day is where we try to heal mistakes, the ones that keep us stuck in time. I need a break, I need a little time to go and pray. You're the one I'm needing in my life. Still you're driving my heart insane. No, we'll never see eye to eye. Still I never can walk away. I'm just going and going, you're just going and going, we're just going and going in circles. I'm just going and going, you're just going and going, we're just going and going in circles. I'm just going and going, you're just going and going, we're just going and going in circles. I'm just going and going, you're just going and going, we're just going and going in circles. See, I met you at a friend's house. Back then it worked out. But see, the thing about change is you never see it coming till you're out of the lane, eh? Still I'm rocking on your team, though, cause you're something like a dreamboat. And I'm feeling your ways. We be arguing and fighting almost every day, eh? And the people say you're playing me. Well, I bet they say the same to me, cause we be riding the lows. I ain't thinking clearly cause we out of control, baby. Tell me where do we go, baby? Cause I want me some more, baby. Love's a circle to me. You keep my heart spinning, girl, that's all that I need. Come on. I'm just going and going, you're just going and going, we're just going and going in circles. I'm just going and going, you're just going and going, we're just going and going in circles. I'm just going and going, you're just going and going, we're just going and going in circles. I'm just going and going, you're just going and going, we're just going and going in circles. I'm spinning.
for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I hope you enjoyed this look and also the collection. If you are going to be picking up, or you already have picked up some pieces from the rainbow collection, comment down below, let me know what you got, and if you've had the chance to try it, let me know what is your absolute favorite. I definitely have to say that I am all for this palette. Like, truly all for this palette. I absolutely love it. As always, make sure to subscribe to me right here on the center of the screen. Don't forget to click that notification bell and check out all my other videos right here on the side. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Talk to you soon.